My name is Kenneth Chang. I'm Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer for Korean Air. Korean Air has been in operation for 53 years. We have around 20,000 employees. We've been in operation over 64 countries into 126 cities. Korean Air, being part of the Asian region, brings in a lot of traditions. And I believe a lot of the companies and way we treat the employees were very traditional ways. We took a very traditional way of identifying top talents. It's all based on the managerial feedback. So these were never data facts. And if you look at Korean Air, we have very low attrition rate. I think we're misunderstanding that just because the employees had loyalty doesn't mean that we would take that for granted. We never did, but we just assumed that they were going to be happy. The 20-year-old HR system that we have didn't give us the visibility into what was really happening from employee sentiment to value. We tried to do many surveys, and they were based on the questions that we knew. My CEO made a decision that we need to change, not because we want to make more money, but because we want to be viewed as a top-tier carrier in the industry. And what we're looking for out of Workday, HCM, is that we want every employee to have the same fair evaluation process or growth opportunity. With a lot of data being available, we can consolidate all that into a data set where we can make the decision based on our experience plus the data set that shows us the truth. Knowing Workday and the philosophy about happy employees equals happy customer is an identical philosophy of my CEO. To become the most loved airline in the world means you have to have happy customers. We're looking for Workday to bring their culture and their platform to really help us understand our employees from a different perspective and really treat them as an individual rather than as a group. I'm hoping that Workday will help Korean Air to really identify the top talents, train them the proper ways, maintain them into the company so that they eventually grow Korean Air to be a more global company. We're looking forward to working with Workday to help to transition 53-year-old company into the next generation Korean Air.